1 year later, I find myself back on this boat.
Wait just a second. Now, how the hell did I get from the top of the North Island all the way down to the bottom? Well, I guess you'll just have to watch to find out. So there I was. I had just left the tiny home build and was back on the road. I had a solid 9-hour drive ahead of me. And well, with a drive like that, it just seems logical to pick up a hitchhiker.
That works.
So if you've seen my last couple videos, you might recognize this kid.
Rob, watering the plants. Cutting into my frame as usual, but you know. These young kids.
Well, looks like Rob will be getting plenty of screen time now.
And this is Piha. 3 times tried to get here. Finally, the 3rd time worked. What do you think about Piha? Is it everything you imagined?
It was a bit out of the way, but those black sands in Piha
So
had been
cool.
calling our name.
And this is Piha. Oh, where is it? Duck Island. Alright, see you in a bit. Second stop, Duck Island ice cream in Hamilton. It's so good.
After spending several hours on the road, we finally made it to Taupo, where we made a quick stop at the local Pack and Save.
Got a big meal planned for us tonight.
And cooked dinner in the hostel.
Half a capsicum.
It was day 2 and we were up early. We planned to be in Wellington by the afternoon, so that gave us plenty of time for some scenic stops along the way.
All those black swans. Oh man. Okay, this.
Have a riverside picnic. And look for a reliable toilet in the town of Bulls.
So where are we, Rob?
Bulls.
Bulls.
As you can see, it's everywhere at this time.
Between the random bull statues and the hilarious signs, Bulls was definitely unforgettable.
It's gonna be interesting. You'll figure it out though. Wave to the camera. Bye. Oh God, and here he goes. See ya. Bye. And made it to Wellington. And on to my stop for the day, and that's it. That was the road trip down to Wellington and heading to the South Island.